I'm making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I have to say two. The weirdo. Yeah, boy.
You suck, get out of my way.
Yell the cuss word. Yell the F word.
Effer. Oh, it's still recorded. Dang it.
It's so recording.
I laugh when anybody cusses.
That's
Let's go see what Joey's doing.
Get it up. Excuse me! I like sitting on the toilet, but people think it is weird. Get out, you stupid paparazzi! Ah! Paparazzi! Get out! Doo-doo. Back away, you stupid paparazzi!
Boo boo baby boo boo.
Oh, go! Go!
You okay?
Whoa! We're gonna see who can jump the farthest. Is it recording? I don't see the red button.
Well, because it's more distant.
Oh, yeah. I like singing on the toilet, but people think it is weird.
Jump in 1, 2, 3, go!
I won. Yo. What's up? It was there the whole time. Is it off? Is it off? I go first. Yeah. Josh. Hello. Noah. Introduce tripod. Okay. Ready?
Joey, introduce me. Tell me when it's rolling.
It's rolling.
I am the great Master Houdini, but don't pay attention to me. It's all about Noah the Turd Face. Thank you. The Turd Face of the world. Thank you. Thank you.
Joey, you just messed it up.
Crap! I just messed it up. Hello, I am the great Master Houdini, but don't pay attention to me, because it's time for Noah the Turd Face.
Thank you. Stretch out.
Just shoot it.
Okay.
Great Master Houdini.
Come on, Brandon. Now make me dunk it.
Michael Jordan.
Oh, he's running. Oh, gosh.
My turn.
My turn. My turn.
Noah.
He's stuck.
Noah, move. Michael Jordan. Oh.
It's still stuck.
Now I will throw freestyle. I will throw this beer bottle into the recycle bin through the hoop. Yeah! I'm gonna do it again.
Get the cans. Okay, do you have the cans? Okay. See these two cans?
He's mad at him. Now we are going to introduce to you a fun way to recycle. It's called basketball recycling.